In the previous lecture, we have retraced the path and the path was correct. Now we just need to make our warrior to follow this path and move. So let's start working on this. Back to our code, we'll be now working on our AI pawn. So let's open here this, or just press here Control or Command P and just search here for AI pawn. All right, here it is. Okay, so yeah, there needs to be some changes. First of all, we need to provide here the path in our AI pawn to search the path. Okay, and for this we need to update our tilemap manager because pathfinding, these methods here are actually it's public, but our pathfinding is a part of our tilemap manager. If you go to tilemap manager, you will see we are calling it currently in the update, which is not a good solution. We just have it for testing. We want to find path between the active unit and the destination when we are clicking with our mouse or touching the screen. So this update we can remove from tilemap manager. Okay, and this start transform and destination transform can go as well. We don't need it anymore. That was just for testing. Now we know the path was found correctly. Okay, and we will create here a new public method, which will be just basically wrapper for our pathfinding find path. So just write here public list, which will return list of nodes, and call it find path, and we'll get here vector3 start position and vector3 end position. Vector3 end position. And we'll return from here, just get here pathfinding and find path and start position and end position. Just a simple wrapper for our pathfinding find path. Now we will go to our AI pawn and we'll get here tilemap manager. Okay, because we'll be using here tilemap manager. Just write here private tilemap manager, tilemap manager. Okay, and also we'll be storing this path, the path that this AI pawn should follow. So let's write here above private list of nodes, and it will be our current path we should follow. Okay, now we have here set destination. So in a set destination is called when we're calling the set destination, when we are clicking on the screen, and this will get me my destination point. So my start position is my transfer position of AI pawn when I am currently at. And the destination here is a position where you are clicking on the screen. So here is a great spot to actually find path. Okay, so we can write here something like this. M underscore current path is equal M underscore tilemap manager find path and path between transform.position and my destination. And this should find the path. Okay, and we can debug log it. Go for a second back to pathfinding. Are we still debug logging it here? No, we don't debug. We are not logging here anything. That's good. Let's go back to our AI pawn, and yeah, we can debug log here path. Debug log. So we are sure that we are getting something here. Was that here path column plus string dot join. Join every element by comma space and evaluate your current path. Okay, so this should debug log the path. This destination equal destination can still can stay. I don't care really about this right now. We'll be improving it later. Also, one thing missing here, we are using here tilemap manager, but as you see, we are not getting any access to it yet. This will be null, so we need to assign it. So just write here void start, and in the start method we can get our tilemap manager. So m underscore tilemap manager equal m tilemap manager dot get. No, not like this. Tilemap manager dot get. Okay, now let's save this. Get back to Unity, and when you will click, you should see the path from the current position to the end position. So let's play this. Select your warrior. Okay, and click here, let's say, and you should be getting the position there. Of course, you're not following this position, but you are getting it. Okay, so now I can get basically anywhere I want. All right, I'm not avoiding obstacles, but I don't really care about it right now because the path we are getting, we just need to follow it. We are not following it. What we are doing now is just getting the destination and following the destination. But now we can work with this path. This path is the list of the nodes, and each of these nodes has a position. So now I can follow the position of the nodes. Okay, and that will be for the next lecture. So we'll get rid of the destination as we have it currently, and we'll be doing it completely differently, how to follow the path. So the warrior can actually follow the path. Okay, but we are getting path. That's very good. Okay, let's stop the game. Let's save everything, and let's continue and finalize it in the next one, next video. Cheers.